the machine is an idea that will, all fingers and toes crossed, frame the premise of another scope of trials bikes from the organization that saw huge achievement in the train and age prior. The TAI is the result of what Yamaha calls its rotating R&D program, where Yamaha R&D representatives are given the chance to work outside traditional systems and dedicate up to 5% of their working hours towards creating imaginative new ideas, says the discharge from Yamaha Motor USA. All things considered, the TAI is stacked with cool bits, similar to a mechanical grasp to help control the electric engine in tight riding circumstances, a carbon composite monocoque outline, and a fresh out-of-the-box new high-yield electric engine with another battery pack and light-away segment. By and large, the TAI weighs under 70 kilograms, which squares with around 154 pounds, prepared to ride with 350 mm ground clearance. Simply think about the conceivable outcomes. Trials bicycles have been gradually moving towards electric powertrains, and the stage has seen incredible accomplishment with Spanish brand Osset, who makes electric trials bicycles for junior riders. The Japanese makers have been eased back to adjust to electric powertrains, with brands like KTM driving the route with their Freeridigo. However, should this Yamaha make it into creation, it could open the conduits for considerably more than simply electric trials bicycles from one of the world's greatest bike powerhouse, and truly kick begin a region of the business needing some new reasoning. Look at the video of Japanese trials star Kanichi Kuroyama indicating exactly what the TAI can do in the correct hands. He will likewise be Yamaha's illustrative in the 2018 FIM Tri League Cup on the TAI.